I'm discuss very important topic called how to make a money with the live streaming. The live streaming earning will be possible for when approved for your Google AdSense, 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Here, first of all, go to live streaming here on your channel. First of all, go to stream now. In this, first of all, change your this title, and here we can change your title here. Done. The title is done by description. Now you can show for here my number, user contacting purpose. Then in this one, we can show for another videos on your end screen or cards. Here, see this one. What is that? Cards. Now click for add card, create. Now here you can show for this different options. This is your videos on your cards. Now here, next one, you can show for your traffic through your website. Now click here, select it here, just click here. Change image, select by the proper documentation, project. I'm selecting from my logo here. Just upload the image, select here. Digital marketing, training, tutorial. Visit our website. Can give for my mobile number. Create a card. Here two advantages. We can traffic generate to our website. Second thing is we can traffic generate by our earning part also. The earning part will be considered by where? Go to monetization. Just enable for your monetization option. After done, first you have finish for your basic information. If you go the stream option, if you change any for stream options, if you change your stream options, third will be monetization. Fourth will be adding for cards. Card will showing for in end of the video on the screen. They're showing for where? In the option here. One is for relevant video. Second for your transfer your website traffic. This is called cards. Now here, close the card. Just copy the stream key. Go to OBS Studio. Go to setting. Go to stream. Just minimize screen. Show. Remove the old one. Add the new one. Add your service on YouTube. YouTube Gaming. Click for apply. Click for OK. Now here, first scene will be created here. You can add the video. First remove the old one. Add the new video. Plus the option call is media source. Now click here. Browse your video. Go to specific documentation. Now click. I go to specific documentation. Click this video. My option call is how to upload video on YouTube channel. Just click OK. Now see here. Just change your video length. Now click for start streaming. Now you can check. It's going to live. Stream will be started. Two. One is we can transfer traffic will be another video on the website. Second thing is we can earn amount through monetization also. Just upload video and start with your video. Now just open your private browser. Just go to YouTube. We'll check ad will be showing or not users. Now select. The video will be playing for perfect or not, check for the private browser. That is called incognito window. Now select here South News. See, just click. Your video are playing here. This is called live video on my YouTube channel. That is called how to upload video on YouTube channel 2018 South News live streaming. See this. This is called card. If anyone click this video, they're going to wear another video. If you click this one, they're going to wear our website. So live streaming, one is called you can ending through video. Second thing called you can generate traffic on your website also. Now here, you check for monetization. See here, monetization with the ads is done. Go to advanced setting. If you need any kind of changes required, you can go with the advanced setting option here. See here. That is how we go to the event option. Always live we created by the more than minutes will be effective. See this. Ad is approved. See here. Ad will be display, overlay, sponsor and skippable video ads. Now here. The advanced setting you can check here. Regarding today will be here. Education. Language will be English. This is not selected here. Just leave it. Click for save change. Select. Save change. Done. Now see this. So clear? The live streaming, we have the three advantages. We can generate traffic for relevant videos, earn money. That will be generated for website traffic. That is called purpose of running for YouTube live streaming. YouTube live streaming main purpose of we can attract for the users and we can stand by the users on my channels. This gives the very good information or everything. That is only for YouTube live. Suppose one video will bought through you are into WhatsApp. This is very useful video. You can play through YouTube. This is only for live, not for the recorded video. If interested, you can upload. Upload will be getting strike. So we can play through live. So no issues, no strikes. So we play the video. We can through money on through YouTube monetization. There's two advantages. One is earning. Second will be our YouTube traffic and along with the website traffic. This is called purpose of running for YouTube live streaming. Now here, just go to back, the OBS studio, click for stop streaming. The streaming will be stopping going on here, stopping for stream. Just here. Once done your stopping streaming, the stop your streaming will be here. Just close. I will check for stream now. Here. It's going to be offline mode. See this. This is called we can create for live streaming for pre-recorded video with earnings. How to make money on website traffic where through YouTube live streaming. That is called is very important. When approved for Google AdSense, automatic earning will be started for YouTube live streaming also.